Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. T.D. Sawant from J.A.T Art Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon District, Nashik. Today we will discuss on the galaxies what galaxy is. As galaxies are the major building blocks of the universe, a galaxy is a giant family of millions of stars and it is held together by its own gravitational field. The universe is organized into galaxies of stars together with gas and dust. To the most distant limits of telescope penetration, our universe consists of widely spaced galaxies, of which an estimated 10 billion can now be observed. But no outer limit of the universe can be recognized. So, the total extent of possible observation of light from distant galaxies is estimated to be 10 billion light years. Within this theoretical maximum radius of observation, there may be as many as 100 billion galaxies. Scientists' observation has at it revealed no limit to the universe and has probed only a fraction of it. Yet to travel to the frontiers of that observed fraction, even at 3,10,500 km, means the 1,86,300 miles per second. The speed of light would take 6,000 million years, about 20,000 times the total period that human life is estimated to have existed on the earth. Hence, the different bodies and structures in the universe, all of which appear to be receding from us, range from single galaxies to mammoth clusters containing over 500 galaxies. Although the cluster of galaxies to which our galaxy belongs is comparatively small, it has only 35 members. Our galaxy itself, the Milky Way system, ranks among the larger of the known stellar systems. Counting its almost 1 lakh million stars, of which the Sun with its family of planets is one. At the rate of one star, a second would take about 2500 years. Seen from outside, the Milky Way system looks like a fairly flat disk with thick clouds of stars near and around its center. Seen at right angles, it looks like a giant Catherine wheel in which two main arms spiral out from the center, and hence the Sun lies in one of these arms. It is so far away from the center that it needs about 225 million years to complete one orbit around the hub of the Catherine wheel, which are calculated on the basis of the Sun's estimated age. It can have made only about 30 complete circuits. So, the evolutionary theory of the universe conforms to the principle that the distribution of galaxies is uniform in all directions throughout the space. Under this concept, to an observer from any galaxy, the average composition of the universe would appear the same. So, from the billions of galaxies, three basic types have been identified: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral galaxies, what those are? Those are Milky Way and the great galaxies in Andromeda are examples of large spiral galaxies. So the bared spiral galaxies have curved spiral arms, and about one quarter of all galaxies have this shape. Second one, that is a elliptical galaxies. The most abundant are probably the elliptical galaxies. These are generally smaller than the spiral galaxies. The elliptical galaxies have a symmetrical elliptical or spheroidal shape with no obvious structure. Most of their member stars are very old and no new stars are forming in them, and hence the sum of them are so small that the term dwarf has been applied. So the largest known elliptical galaxy is 2 lakh light years in diameter. The biggest and brightest galaxies in the universe are elliptical with masses of 10 raised to 13 times that of our sun, and hence about two-thirds of all galaxies are elliptical. Third galaxy, that is a irregular galaxy. This irregular galaxy comprises about one tenth of all galaxies and come in many subclasses. One of the major differences among the galactic type is the age of the stars, which make them up. The irregular galaxies are composed mostly of young population, while the elliptical galaxies contain old population, and hence the Milky Way and other spiral galaxies consist of population of old stars in the center and the youngest star located in the arms. So the stars forming the Milky Way are not evenly distributed, and hence the surrounding the galaxy and forming part of it are compact swarms of stars known as globular star cluster. Beyond them again lie thousands of millions of other galaxies with a considerable range in size and structure, and hence the nearest comparable in size to our own is the great galaxy in Andromeda. One of the most remarkable phenomena related to the galaxies is that the red shift of their spectra increases in direct proportion to their radial distance from our point of observation in the solar system. Assuming that the red shift is the true Doppler effect, all galaxies must be in a radial motion receding from our galaxy. Moreover, the speed of recession increases proportionately with increasing distance. So, the geometry of such apparent radial outward motion can be visualized in terms of the universe that is expanding uniformly in volume. From any single vantage point in this system, all other objects will appear to the moving radially outward. Hubble's discovery of a law of increase of radial velocity proportionate with the distance quickly led to a new theory of origin of the universe. So here, thank you very much.